I'm just a guy standing in front of you, asking you, have you seen my keys? No? And you never will. With KeyWe, your lock opens with a simple passcode. No key needed. Store up to 20 different passcodes depending on your needs. And KeyWe is also Bluetooth operated. It uses low-power Bluetooth to automatically unlock when you approach. And then relock after you've entered. Here's the problem, you might say. What if the power goes out? How will I get inside? KeyWe Smart Lock also comes with a physical key for emergencies and millennial nostalgia. And your doors are protected by ANSI Grade 2 deadbolts, keeping out unwanted guests during a blackout. Even during the purge. And KeyWe keeps a record of everyone who's entered my home, sending push alarms to my cell whenever someone opens my door. Perfect for going out of town. But what will that mean for my guests? This is Tim. Right now, he's at my office, even though I'm not. Since I can control multiple KeyWe locks with a fabulous app, I can let Tim into my office from home. I can also send Tim a one-time passcode, so he can let himself in.
What about long-term guests?
Long-term guests are easy with the KeyWe guest fee. I can schedule an event so that my friends have free access during their stay. My guests can let themselves in, and the key expires after their stay, making it perfect for Airbnb. And when I say that KeyWe is smart, I mean it. KeyWe connects to your other smart appliances and services because it's compatible with Z-Wave. This means that KeyWe connects to home hubs like Alexa and Google Home. Let's say that my friend Tim forgets to lock the door after he leaves. I'll get an alert from my hub and lock my door remotely with the app. KeyWe can be the first appliance to alert your hub at your home. But what if you don't have a hub yet? Then use Wi-Fi to connect your phone to KeyWe, whichever and whatever way you need KeyWe to be. KeyWe is a smart appliance that works with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and Z-Wave. KeyWe, a seriously smart door lock.